Good morning, students. Last class I explained division by t and evaluation of integrals. So totally in Laplace transform have 8 properties. First one is linearity property, and second one is first shifting theorem. Third one is second shifting theorem, and division by t, multiplication by t power n. Next derivative of Laplace transform, integral of Laplace transform, and finally evaluation of integrals. These topics are in Laplace transforms. So we discussed the inverse Laplace transform. So first, definition of inverse Laplace transform. The definition of inverse Laplace transform is if a bar of s is the Laplace transform of a function f of t, if a bar of s is a function of f of t, then f of t is called the inverse Laplace transform of a bar of s, and it is denoted by L inverse of f bar of s. L inverse of f bar of s equal to f of t. Here, L inverse is the inverse Laplace transform operator. L inverse is the operator of inverse Laplace transform, and such that L into L inverse equal to L inverse into L equal to 1. Okay, I explained inverse Laplace transform definition once. I explained. We know that the basic definition of the Laplace transform is L of f of t equal to L of f of t equal to f bar of s. This is the basic condition of Laplace transform. We completed this topic. So today topic, applying L inverse on both sides. Applying L inverse on both sides. So L into L inverse in left side into f of t equal to L inverse of f bar of s. So L of f of t equal to f bar of s is the first basic formula of Laplace transform. We are applying L inverse on both sides, that basic formula. So we know that L into L inverse equal to 1, then f of t is equal to L inverse of f bar of s. So finally, we can write L inverse of f bar of s equal to f of t. Here, interchange the question and answers. So first, the question is Laplace, then Laplace is go to right hand side, then it is inverse Laplace. Taking one example, we know that L of e power at equal to 1 by s minus a. This is the very easiest result of the Laplace transform. Now, it is converted today class as e power at, taking L inverse, go to L on right hand side, then it is L inverse e power at equal to L inverse of 1 by s minus a. So in the question, we apply Laplace. In the answer, we apply L inverse. Like as taking one example, derivative of sine theta equal to cos theta. And again, integral of cos theta equal to sine theta. For example, derivative of cos theta minus sine theta, taking integration. So the derivative go to right hand side, then it is 1 by derivative. 1 by derivative means integration. So integral of sine theta minus cos theta. So minus into minus plus cos theta, or multiplying minus on both sides, then it comes to left hand side. Integral of sin theta equal to minus cos theta. Like that, the Laplace transform of e power a t equal to 1 by s minus a, taking L inverse on both sides, then L inverse is applied to answer. Answer means 1 by s minus a. We have to get the quotient. So e power a t. And another important point is, my voice clarity ఉందా? వాయిస్ వినిపిస్తుందా క్లారిటీగానే?
Yes, sir. Interesting, sir.
Okay. So another change is Laplace transform. Laplace transform in questions in terms of t, and the answer is in terms of s. So L of f of t equal to f bar of s. The Laplace transform function in terms of t, we getting the answer in terms of s. But in L inverse, inverse Laplace transform question is in terms of s, reverse of the Laplace transform. Question is in terms of s, and the answer is t. Okay, there is no other variable. So a Laplace transform question in terms of t, we are applying Laplace transform is a function of t and getting the answer function of s. But reverse, L inverse is a function of s and getting the answer as a function of t. So all formulas are reverse in the inverse Laplace. We discussed some else L of 1 equal to 1 by s. First one, L of 1 equal to 1 by s. Second one, L of e power a t equal to 1 by s minus a. L of sin a t equal to a by s square plus a square. L of cos a t equal to s by s square plus a square. And L of t power n, it has two formulas. I wrote only first one, n factorial by s power n plus 1. These all results are, we know that these results we used in the problems. Now these formulas are converted into L inverse, like as the L is go to right hand side, then it is L inverse. So L inverse of 1 by s. Applying L inverse into the answer, then we getting the answer as a question. So L inverse of 1 by s equal to 1. L inverse of 1 by s equal to 1. Here answer is 1 by s minus a. So second one, L inverse of 1 by s minus a equal to the question e power a t. And here answer is a by s square plus a square. Taking L inverse to the answer, a by s square plus a square equal to sin a t. For example, L inverse 1 by s L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square. So we have to write 1 by a sin a t. Why? Here the numerator is in terms of a, but here no constant term, it has only one. So I divide a and multiply with a. So divide with a and multiplication with L inverse of a by s square plus a square. This 1 by a carry to right hand side. And L inverse of s by s square plus a square is equal to cos at. Here not possible to apply 1 by s square plus a square. So multiplying and dividing s on multiplying and dividing s not possible, because here the function is possible, s not in outside of the L inverse. S it now s is not outside of the L inverse operator. సో ఇవే ఫార్ములాస్, కొత్తగా ఏమి ఉండవు మనకు ఫార్ములాస్. ఏవైతే లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ లో ఫార్ములాస్ ఉన్నాయో అవే మనం ఇన్వర్స్ లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ లో తీసుకుంటాము. దాన్ని ఇక్కడ రివర్స్ అవుతుంది, క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ అవుతుంది, ఆన్సర్ క్వశ్చన్ అవుతుంది. అలాగే ఎల్ ఆఫ్ టీ పవర్ ఎన్, we know that L of t power n equal to n factorial by s power n plus 1. It is reversely applied L inverse of n factorial by s power n plus 1, that equal to t power n. So we have to convert this 1 by s power n plus 1 is equal to 1 by n factorial. So t power n by n factorial. Simply L inverse of 1 by s cube. S cube, it is also written as L inverse of 1 by s square plus 1. It is converted as L inverse of 1 by s power 2 plus 1. Here n is 2, so t square by 2 factorial. We have to solving the results in L inverse from the Laplace. మనం లాప్లాస్ ఇన్వర్స్ లో ఫార్ములాస్ దేని నుంచి తెచ్చుకుంటున్నాం? లాప్లాస్ ఫార్ములాస్ నుంచి సింప్లిఫై చేసి తెచ్చుకున్నాం. సో ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ అన్ని ఇక్కడ యూజ్ చేద్దాం. వన్స్ అగైన్ ఐ రిపీట్ దీస్ ఫార్ములాస్. ఫస్ట్ వన్, L of 1 equal to 1 by s. Then here L of 1 by s equal to ఏమవుతుంది? ఆన్సర్ క్వశ్చన్ అవుతుంది, క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ అవుతుంది. L inverse of 1 by s equal to 1. And L inverse of 1 by s minus a is equal to e power at. Next, L inverse of 1 by s plus a equal to e power minus at. L inverse of s by s square plus a square. S వచ్చింది కాబట్టి అటు సైన్ లో ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ s కాబట్టి s రాకూడదు, cos at. L inverse of a by s square plus a square sin at. For example, a is not in numerator, we have to multiply and divide with a. So L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square, it is also written as 1 by a sin at. Only constant term is possible, not s terms, because s not in outside of the L inverse. And L inverse of 1 by s power n, L inverse of 1 by s power n plus 1. That equal to t power n by n factorial. Okay. Present, these formulas are very, very important formulas of inverse Laplace transform from we solving Laplace transforms. Laplace transform నుంచి మనం సాల్వ్ చేసి ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ మనం ఇన్వర్స్ లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ లో యూజ్ చేసుకుంటాం. సో రెండింటికి ఏంటంటే హియర్ క్వశ్చన్ యాజ్ ఏ ఆన్సర్ ఫ్రమ్ ది లాప్లాస్. లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ లో మనకి ఏదైతే క్వశ్చన్ ఉంటుందో ఇక్కడ అది మనకి ఆన్సర్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే. Okay. We're doing some simple problems. Once again, I explained the definition of inverse Laplace transform. What is the definition of inverse Laplace transform? Observe that if f bar of s the Laplace transform of a function f of t, then f of t is called the inverse Laplace transform of f bar of s. F of t is a function of Laplace transform of f bar of s. Then L inverse of f bar of s equal to f of t. Simply we denoted f of t equal to L inverse of f bar of s. So in inverse Laplace transform functions in terms of s, then we getting the answer in terms of t. From the condition of L into L inverse equal to 1. L into L inverse equal to 1. Simply, we know that L of f of t equal to f bar of s. So L is go to right hand side or multiplying L inverse on both sides, we get only f of t. So L inverse of L into f of t equal to right side. L inverse of f bar of s. So L inverse is equal to 1. Here only f of t in left side equal to L inverse of f bar of s as a right side. So finally we have to write L inverse of f bar of s equal to f of t. All formulas are converted into as a function t to s. Here example is available. Once observe that L inverse of 1 by s. So L inverse of 1 by s equal to 1. L inverse of s plus 1 by s power n plus 1 equal to t power n by n factorial, and another formula t power n by gamma of n plus 1. L inverse of these all functions are in inverse Laplace. This is the answers of in terms of f of t. Okay. So e power at, e power minus at, 1 by sin at, cos at, 1 by sin h at. So these are all the results of the inverse Laplace transform. Go to some problems. Here also one important property that is called the linearity property. Linearity property is eligible. So any two functions or three functions of s functions, we separate the inverse Laplace operator to each and every term in between either addition or subtraction. మనకి ఎడిషన్ లో కానీ సపరేషన్ లో కానీ ఉన్నప్పుడే మనం ఇన్వర్స్ లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ ని ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ టర్మ్ కి సెపరేట్ చేయడానికి పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది. సో లీనియారిటీ ప్రాపర్టీ is L inverse of C1 into f bar of f1 bar of s plus C2 into f2 bar of s minus C3 into f3 bar of s. Here three functions of s in the L inverse. We have to separate L inverse into the three functions and write constant terms in the outside. First, I multiply L inverse in the first function C1 of f1 bar of s and write C1 as a constant in outside. So C1 L inverse of f1 bar of s and plus C2 as a constant So L1 L inverse of F2 bar of S and minus C3 L inverse of F3 bar of S. So this is the linearity property of the inverse Laplace transform. Applying these linearity property, we're doing some simple problems. Problem number 1. In the inverse Laplace transform, first the statement is find the inverse Laplace transform. The common statement is find inverse Laplace transform or L inverse. Okay, so we take the first problem. L inverse of 2s minus 5 by s square minus 4. Okay, now we have to simplify this problem into linearity property. First, separate the denominator into two numerator functions, like as a minus b by 2. It is also written as a by 2 minus b by 2. So, using these condition, L inverse of first function 2s by s square minus 4 minus 5 by s square minus 4. Now I applying a linearity property because here two s functions in the combination of minus. So first I separate L inverse into the first function. Here 2 as a constant. 2 into L inverse of s by s square minus 4. 4 is written as 2 square. And here 5 is constant. I write outside of the L inverse. So L inverse of 1 by s square minus 4. 4 is also written as 2 square. Applying the results of the L inverse, we know that L inverse of s by s square minus a square. In the denominator combination is minus, it is a hyperbolic function, and numerator contains s, so in right hand side s not come, so cos hat, cos hat. And second one, L inverse of 1 by s square minus a square. Same, in the denominator contains minus combination, so it is a hyperbolic function, and numerator not contain s, so in the right side yes, so sin hat, and no a term in the left side, so we divide a also. సో నేను న్యూమినేటర్లో ఇక్కడ మన క్వశ్చన్లో న్యూమినేటర్లో ఎస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి డినామినేటర్లో ఎస్ రాకూడదు. సో ఎల్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ బై ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ ఏ స్క్వేర్. ఎస్ ఈజ్ ఏ ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ ఆఫ్ ది సైన్. సో ఇన్ ఆపోజిట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఎస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ కమ్ టు ది రైట్ సైడ్. So L inverse of s by s square minus a square. In the denominator, the combination is a minus. Minus indicates the hyperbolic function. So sin in letter of sin starts from s. So s is not come to right side. So taking cos, and the denominator in the question is a combination of minus s square minus a square. Then we getting the cos hat. Similarly, the second formula also in the combination of minus. So we getting the hyperbolic function sin hat, and there is no constant term in the numerator. So we multiply and divide a constant term, or simply written in the 1 by I into sin hat. So using these formulas to the given problem. So here a has 2 and here also a has 2. So I complete this problem. So 2 into here 2 into L inverse of S by S square minus A square is cos HAT. Here A equal to 2 cos H 2t minus 5 into 1 by A. A means 2. So 5 by 2 sin HAT. Sin H 2t. This is the first problem. I arrange the formulas. Once again, briefly I explain this problem. First of all, identify the problem L inverse of 2s minus 5 by s square minus 4. It is easily to separate the denominator to the numerator like as a plus b by 2, like as a plus b by 2. So a plus b by 2 we have to write a by 2 plus b by 2. In this similarity, 2s minus 5 by s square minus 4, we have to separate the s square minus 4 to 2s and 5. 2s by s square minus 4 and minus 5 by s square minus 4. So applying L inverse on both sides, we have to write constant in the outside. 2 into L inverse of s by s square minus 4 minus 5 into L inverse of 1 by s square minus 4. Okay. The formula of s by s square minus 4 is cos HAT because here minus combination in the denominator a equal to 2. So we have to write 2 as a, 4 as 2 square. So 2 into 2 into cos HAT. 80 means 2t minus 5 into L inverse of 1 by s square minus a square. 1 by a, so 1 by 2 sin h 2t. Sin h 80 means 2t. So this is the required result. So next problem. Next problem is L inverse of 2s minus 5. S की 5 की डिफरेंस తెలియాలి జాగ్రత్త రాయండి 2s minus 5 sorry 2s plus 1 2s plus 1 by s into s plus 1. First taking the function of L inverse 2s plus 1 by s into s plus 1. In the previous problem, we have to separate the denominator to the two functions 2s and 1. So 2s by s into s plus 1 no? 1 by s into s plus 1. Observe that s cancel 2 by s plus 1. It has a formula exists. 2 is a constant. L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 equal to e power minus t. దీనికి ఫార్ములా ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుంది. మరి దీనికి ఫార్ములా ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుందా? L inverse of s into s plus 1. There is no formula this type of values. So this type of splitting is not possible to getting the answer. ఈ విధంగా స్ప్లిట్ చేయడం వల్ల మనం ఆన్సర్ అనేది తీసుకురాలేకపోతున్నాం. సో స్ప్లిట్టింగ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్ ఇన్ ది ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లం లాగా మనం స్ప్లిట్ చేస్తే ఆన్సర్ రావట్లేదు కాబట్టి చేంజ్ ప్రాసెస్ చేంజ్ చేద్దాం. We have to change the process. Observe that the denominator in terms of s into s plus 1. So numerator also in the combination of s into s plus 1, it is simply calculated. So I have to write the numerator as 2s. 2s is also written as s plus s plus 1. So 2s plus 1 we have to change s plus 1. 2s ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు మనం? 2s s plus s equal to 2s. So write 2s as s plus s and plus 1 by s into s plus 1. So separate s and s plus 1 in the denominator. Denominator రెండింటికి separate చేయండి. L inverse of first s by s into s plus 1 plus s plus 1 by s into s plus 1. సో ఇలా చేయడం వల్ల ఏంటంటే టర్మ్స్ క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతాయి. s plus 1 s plus 1 క్యాన్సిల్, s క్యాన్సిల్. The resulting value is L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 plus L inverse of 1 by s. So L inverse of 1 by s plus 1, the formula is e power minus at. Here a equal to 1, so e power minus t, and L inverse of 1 by s 1. So the result is 1 plus e power minus t. సో ఇన్వర్స్ లాప్లాస్ కొత్తగా ఫార్ములాస్ ఏం లేవు. లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ ని ఇంటర్చేంజ్ చేయడం వల్ల వచ్చిన రిజల్ట్స్ మనం ఇన్వర్స్ లాప్లాస్ లో యూజ్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం. సో L of 1 by s plus 1, we know that here plus 1, so we write the opposite sign, so minus e power minus t is a Laplace transform formula. We have to, so inverse Laplace formula, L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 we are taking e power minus t, and also L inverse of 1 by s equal to 1. So this is the problem. Okay, next problem. Third problem is important. L inverse of 3s minus 8 by 4s square plus 25. First we have to separate the denominator to the two functions of numerator. Denominator ni numerator lo ఉన్న two functions separate చేద్దాం, constant terms బయట రాసేద్దాం. So first 3 is constant, three into L inverse of s by 4s square, we write 25 as a 5 square, and minus 8 is constant. L inverse of 1 by s square, we have to also write 25 as 5 square. Observe that here 4 is a multiple of s square. We know that the inverse Laplace formulas 1 by s square plus a square and a by s square plus a square is available, not a by a square s square plus a square. So there is no multiple of s square in the denominator. In the formulas, we have to observe only single multiples of s square. S square కి ఎటువంటి మల్టిపుల్స్ ఉండకూడదు. ఇక్కడ మరి 4 అనేది మల్టిపుల్ కింద ఉంది. సో ఉండకూడదు అంటే మనం ఏం చేద్దాం, ఆ టర్మ్ ని కామన్ తీసేద్దాం. So from the formula of inverse Laplace transform, L inverse of s by s square plus a square only exists, not bs square, cs square. This type of s square is not possible in the inverse Laplace. So we have to common 4 in the denominator. ఈ denominator లోంచి 4 కామన్ తీయండి. So already 3 constant in outside, 4 is also common. So L inverse of s by s square plus 5 square by 4 square. 4 square means 2 square. Minus 8. Here also common to 4 in the denominator. So L inverse of 1 by s square plus 5 square. So common to 4. So 4 is to write as 2 square. We have to simplify 3 by 4. L inverse of s by s square plus a square. So 5 by 5 square by 2 square, it is simply 5 by 2 whole square. And cancel 4 in terms of 8, 2. So L inverse of 1 by s square plus, here also we have to write 5 by 2 whole square. So numerator is s by s square plus 5 by 2 whole square. So cancel 4 in 8 as 2 times, 2 into L inverse of 1 by s square plus 5 by 2 whole square. We have to apply formulas of L inverse of s by s square plus a square. So in the numerator, s has available, so we're getting the answer as a cos. The denominator combination is plus, so cos at, here a value is 5 by 2, cos 5 by 2 t. So in front of 3 by 4. So minus 2 into 1 by s square plus a square. 1 by s square plus a square formula is 1 by a. So 1 by 5 by 2, it is reversed as 2 by 5 sin a t, sin 5 by 2 t. Okay, this is the required result. 2 into 2, 4. So minus 4 by 5, 1 by a. 1 by a means 1 by 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is go to denominator. 2 into 2, 4. So 4 by 5 sin a t. Here also a value 5 by 2. Sin 5 by 2 into t. This is the required results. So in the third problem, multiple of 4 in the denominator of s square. S square కి 4 మల్టిపుల్ ఉండకూడదు, కానీ ఇక్కడ ఉంది. సో దీన్ని కామన్ తీస్తున్నాం. ఇక్కడ కామన్ తీసినప్పుడు 4 కామన్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఇక్కడ 4 కామన్ లేనప్పుడు ఆ 4 బైలో వస్తుంది. సో 4 ని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు అంటే 2 స్క్వేర్ రాసుకోవచ్చు. అందుకే ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఇంపార్టెంట్ అయింది. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్. దిస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఈజ్ ఈజీ, సింపుల్. L inverse of s square minus 3s plus 4 by s cube. To separate the denominator to the 3 functions of numerator, s cube ni 3 functions ke separate cheste. So L inverse of s square by s cube minus 3s by s cube plus 4 by s cube. And simplify ss L inverse of s square by s cube 1 by s minus 3 into s by s cube 3 by s square plus 4 by s cube. Clearly it is in the linearity property because the three functions in the combination of minus and plus. So applying inverse Laplace transform to the three functions. First, I applying the linearity property L inverse of 1 by s. In the second function, minus 3 is constant. L inverse of 1 by s square. In the third function, 4 is constant. L inverse of 1 by s cube. We know that L inverse of 1 by s equal to 1 minus 3 into L inverse of 1 by s square. L inverse of 1 by s square means we have to write s square as L inverse of 1 by s power 1 plus 1. So here n equal to 1. So the answer is t power n by n factorial. So what t power 1 by 1 factorial. So ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంటే t power 1 ఒకటి తగ్గాలి. L inverse of 1 by s power 6. So t power 5 by 5 factorial. L inverse of 1 by s power 7. 7 నుంచి ఒకటి తగ్గించింది 6. So t power 6 by 6 factorial. Like as L inverse of 1 by s square equal to t power 1 by 1 factorial. T power 1 by 1 factorial. So that is also t. Similarly, plus 4 into L inverse of 1 by s cube. So decrease one term in the cube. So t square by 2 factorial. 2 factorial equal to 2. Cancel 2 in 4 as 2 times. The final answer is 1 minus 3t plus 2t square is the required result. So first we divide s cube in each and every term of the numerator. One is s square and denominator is minus 3s and third one is 4. And simplify s terms. S square is cancelled in s cube 1 by s times and s is cancelled in s cube s square term. There is no cancellation in the third. And separate the L inverse to three functions because it is possible in linearity property. First one is L inverse of 1 by s minus 3 into L inverse of 1 by s square plus 4 into L inverse of 1 by s cube. Applying the formula of, so what formula we apply? L inverse of 1 by s power n plus 1. Here n plus 1, we taking n only. So t power n by n factorial or gamma of n plus 1 by n factorial. So example, L inverse of 1 by s power 6. 6 is also written as 5 plus 1 or simply decrease minus 1. So L inverse of 1 by s power 6. 6 minus 1, 5. So t power 5 by 5 factor. So 6 minus 1 equal to 5. So t power 5 by 5 factorial. In the rule of 1 by L inverse of 1 by s power 6 as L inverse of 1 by 6 also written as 5 plus 1. So taking 5 as n, then t power 5 by 5 factorial. And another example of L inverse of 1 by s power 100. 100 minus 1, 99. So t power 99 by 99 factorial. And another formula, gamma of 99 plus 1 by 99 factorial. So there is another formula. It is only eligible for fractions. So that equal to root of s, so s power 3 by 2, s power 5 by 2. In that situation we using gamma. ఓకే, ఇవి మనకి బేసిక్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. లాప్లాస్ లో ఏవైతే మనం యూజ్ చేస్తున్నామో ఫార్ములాస్ ని ఇన్వర్స్ లాప్లాస్ లో కూడా అవే ఫార్ములాస్ యూజ్ చేసుకుంటున్నాము. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఆన్సర్ క్వశ్చన్ అవుతుంది, క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ అవుతుంది, కొత్తగా ఫార్ములాస్ ఏం నేర్చుకోలేదు. అక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ప్రాపర్టీ లీనియరిటీ ప్రాపర్టీ ఎలా అయితే యూజ్ చేసాం, ఇక్కడ కూడా ఫస్ట్ ప్రాపర్టీ లీనియరిటీ ప్రాపర్టీని యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాము. సో లీనియరిటీ ప్రాపర్టీ అప్లయింగ్ ఇన్ లాప్లాస్ అండ్ లీనియరిటీ ప్రాపర్టీ అప్లయింగ్ ఇన్ ఇన్వర్స్ లాప్లాస్. నెక్స్ట్ టుమారో క్లాస్ we will discuss how to apply a partial fractions and first shifting theorem in tomorrow classes. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్ థియరం ఒకసారి చూసుకుంటే లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ లో ఇక్కడ కూడా సేమ్ అది రివర్స్ కండిషన్ లో అప్లై చేద్దాం. ఓకే, పార్షియల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ ఆర్ టూ టైప్స్, వన్ ఈజ్ ప్రాపర్ అండ్ సెకండ్ వన్ ఈజ్ ఇంప్రాపర్. ప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్, పార్షియల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఒకసారి చూసుకోండి, ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్ చూసుకోండి, రేపు టాపిక్ ఈజీగా అర్థం. ఓకే, ఫైనల్లీ ది ఫార్ములా ఆఫ్ L inverse equal to L inverse of f bar of s, the question in terms of s and the answer is in terms of t, f of t, not bar, only f of t. Okay, all of you raise your hands.